Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. In order to patch that hole up there, I cut out a cardboard template and fitted it to the hole, and I'll use that to cut the plasterboard. I take my cardboard template and lay it out over the top. Because the edges are thinned out to allow for tape, I don't really want to have that on this particular patch. I want to have all the edges the same thickness. So I'm going to make my cuts back away from that thin spot. Just follow along the cardboard. Got a few rough edges there. We'll just trim those off while I'm doing this. All I need to do is cut through the paper on the plasterboard and weaken it so that when I bend it, it breaks. And I want to take all these cuts out to the edge. Go back through and make sure I've traced all these enough that I've gotten all the way through the paper. I just set it over the edge and break off the parts that I don't want on there. This part might be a little fussy because I can't just bend it over an edge. By cutting all the way through here, that lets me bend this up without tearing past the edges that I wanted to hold square. I matched my template pretty closely. Probably going to have to carve on this a little bit just to get it going to the ceiling. But that saves a lot of juggling going inside and trying to make this fit. Spot there that's not quite straight. And the mess out here is easier to clean up than a mess inside the house. Definitely going to have to sharpen my knife after I get done with this. That's what it's for. Okay, now if I've cut this correctly, I'll be able to just slide it up into that hole. Set that over the edge of the fan box and slip it up in. There. That's got it. Now the edges, the flanges on the fan box will hold it in place while I put a couple of screws in here to hold it up in. Then I'm going to put spackle around the outside of it and anchor it. And that should take care of the structural part of repairing the ceiling. Now I got to go through and finish it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I rate them all. Thanks for watching. And if you guys are just new to the channel, why don't you take a minute and subscribe? You can ring the doorbell too, that way you'll be notified whenever we have a new video come out. We're on a schedule, Monday through Friday at noon, Saturday and Sunday at 9 a.m. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.